Can we set custom ringtone on WhatsApp on iPhone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to find out if we can set custom ringtone on WhatsApp iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your WhatsApp and let's head over to our WhatsApp's settings. Now on our settings, if we head over to the notification center, there you should find our notifications. Now right there you should see message notification, group notification, and status notification. Now there you will not found any notification for calls. So yeah, there is no ringtone notification. So if that's the case, if we head over to our settings on our device itself and then head over to notifications, there we should find notification for WhatsApp. So scroll down until you find WhatsApp, and after you find WhatsApp you can open that up, and right there you should find sounds, badges, and notifications. You can see the previews and stuff like that, but there is no option for calls and ringtones. So that's the case for notification. But if we head over to sounds and haptics, there should be ringtones. There is ringtones for our complete device, but there is no specified ringtone for WhatsApp. So yeah, I hope this answers your question. You cannot actually set custom ringtones on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope this video helped you clear your question. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye bye, take care.